हेलो, माई सेल्फ पूजा नाकवा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ रॉयल इंटरनेशनल कॉलेज। मेरी 10th खत्म होने के बाद आई हैव एनरोल्ड इन ओनली कॉमर्स फॉर 11 बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट अनिल सर एंड ट्रस्ट मी, एक वर्ड वॉज ट्रू। ही हैज़ बीन अ ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ सिंस 11 बिकॉज ही हैज़ supported me academically as well as emotionally. He's been always there for me. That's one of the reasons why I've topped my college for 11th standard. And not only this, Only Commerce has also helped me a lot, like in every aspect. And also I'm looking forward to becoming a CA, and I've enrolled in Only Commerce, and I've been in the right hands of Anil sir. He's already teaching me, like mentoring me in with the mindset of a CA, and I'm very sure that I'll become one. Thank you.
Myself Kushi Jaju. I would like to thank the mentors of Only Commerce classes for shaping my academic journey. Their commitment to each student's growth is unmatched. I had severe doubts in accountancy, but here I got the ultimate support. I'm really grateful for the support and values I have gained here.
Myself Sonu Chundawar. I'm from Royal International School and I've studied 12th standard in Only Commerce classes. Back in my class 11, I was struggling for concept wherein clear, so my confidence was low. I especially often lost in subjects like accountancy and economics. Then I realized that I need focused guidance, so I enrolled for Only Commerce classes. Anil sir was guided me with patience and always reminded for me improvement is a journey. So joining Only Commerce class is a turning point of my academic life, and I genuinely thankful to all teachers and believing in me more and believe in myself.
Hi, my name is Anvisha Sinha. I have studied 11th and 12th. I am currently studying 12th in Only Commerce classes. I have wanted to be a CA, and one of my friend's sister has completed CA through Anil sir's guiding and his classes. So she recommended me these classes, and really these classes have been really supportive about CA also. These are one of the few classes which have started coaching of CA from 11. Anil sir's way of teaching is attention oriented and very engaging, and I would really like to recommend Only classes for all those people who are willing to choose commerce stream after 10. Anil.
मेरा नाम कृष्णा राजपूत है। मैं ओनली कॉमर्स क्लासेस का स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैंने अभी 12th पास किया है। 12th पास करने के बाद मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज था कि मैं कौन सा प्रोफेशन चूज़ करूँ, क्योंकि मार्केट में बहुत सारे क्लासेस थे जो मुझे कॉम्बो ऑफर्स दे रहे थे कि आप हमारा ये क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर लो, हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे। तो मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज था। तब उसी टाइम पे मेरे एक सीनियर ने मुझे अनिल सर के बारे में बताया। मैंने सर का क्लास ज्वाइन किया। मेरे को अकाउंट सबसे टफ जा रहा था, लेकिन ओनली कॉमर्स क्लासेस के फैकल्टी ने मुझे बेसिक से लेकर एडवांस तक ऐसा कंसेप्ट समझाया कि वो मेरा सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट है। यहाँ सिर्फ पढ़ाया नहीं जाता है, यहाँ पे गाइड किया जाता है। यहाँ के जो फैकल्टीज़ है वो खुद क्वालिफाइड CA या तो एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स है। थैंक यू।